have Mrs. Nena Isoka, but I may be with Mrs. Ogonnaya Ihebinandu.
Nyara wore aruko wapa we ko wafo ma afo we judu apa we ju cho usimbi apan mamman cho na ngom de namman igu ni igu yo jopata cho akomandubi mamman cho nakuma mamman nakuma akomandubi nsebu ubu abawo cho Mamman, Ojatumazulo, Obolemba, Wanduribo, Obolende, Aiko Babase, Cho, Efiamo, Mamman, Cho, Obinurura Mamman, Obolende, Amasuzo, Cho, Anobetu, Mamman, Cho, Anobetu, Mamman, Obolende, Ibomobrutu, Asamu Batumba, Cho Amaja Mamman, Cho Amaja Mamman, Amaja, Obolende, Obinipa, Afamureze, Oro, Cho Obinipa Mamman, Cho Utubu Mamman, Utubu, Obinipa, Afamureze, Obikita, Oyerepele, Cho, Papa, Mamman, Papa, Amaku, Isogo, Nieme, Cho, Ahina, Mamman, Ahina, Obolende, Amoba, Ogruganama, Mamman, Cho, Ogruganama, Mamman, Onyaku Kusa, Onyaku Gabia, Onyaku Kusa, Ogruganama, Mamman.
Mamma, Okibo, Mamma, it is a very, very great competition. It's a very great Ikeji. Our kingdom has been one of the greatest kingdoms in the southeast and the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I am very, very happy that fathers and mothers and uncles and sisters, we are all here today gathered in one unity to celebrate our Ikeji. May God bless us all in Jesus' name. I shall present this as a third prize winner of 25,000 naira. May he continue with glory, honesty, trust and humility within you and your village and across Arochukwu of Abia State. Thank you so much.
No, please.
Please, cameraman.
For Professor Osima. Ometina ngomniri mani konwa nicho mmeja ka bu abaye ndị Aro sise baye iti tunani.
Okay, not only and also a trophy. There is also a trophy going with the other cash prize. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you very much, PG. I am a man who works on